The part number 4 discusses the first type of multipulse converter, which is 12 pulse converter. In this part, we are going to see the construction of multipulse converter, which is 12 pulse. Working principle of this converter, we will see the output waveform. We will see the line current waveform for various conditions, as well as we are going to analyze the harmonic spectrum of the line current. Let us first of all begin with the construction of this 12 pulse converter. So you can see that in the 12 pulse converter we require 2 units of 6 pulse diode rectifiers. The first unit of 6 pulse diode rectifier, which is also known as a 3-phase rectifier, and this is the second unit of 6 pulse diode based rectifier. On the DC side, these 2 units are connected in series manner. So this 12 pulse converter is the series type multipulse converter. So to drive these 2 units of 3-phase rectifier, we should have 6-phase AC supply. But we know that the 6-phase AC supply is readily not available. We have to produce this 6-phase AC supply from the 3-phase readily available supply. And to do that, we need the phase shifting transformer. And this phase shifting transformer has one primary winding and 2 secondary windings. All the windings are 3-phase in nature. As I explained earlier, the multipulse converter is nothing but it is basically a rectifier. It converts AC into DC. For the higher power application, we use this multipulse converter concept. But for the lower and the medium power application, the 3-phase rectifier is enough. The key point in this multipulse converter construction is the transformer winding connection. The primary side the winding is in the Y fashion, but on the secondary side there are 2 windings and both windings are of different type. The first winding is in the Y fashion and the second winding is in the delta configuration. In the diagram, this delta represents the phase displacement. Delta is equal to 0 means the phase displacement between the primary side line to line voltage and the secondary side line to line voltage is 0. And here delta is equal to 30 degree, which means that primary side line to line voltage and the secondary side line to line voltages have the 30 degree phase displacement. And because of that, the first 3-phase supply and the second 3-phase supply is different. And this phase displacement is produced because of this different configuration of the winding, primary side star and the secondary side delta. The figure B shows the simplified diagram of the 12 pulse diode rectifier based multipulse converter. So as I said earlier that the DC outputs of the 6 pulse rectifiers are connected in series. Output of the first rectifier and output of the second rectifier. Output terminals, you can see that these 2 rectifiers are connected in series manner and output is taken between these 2 terminals. To eliminate the lower order harmonics in the line current IA here, which should be sinusoidal in nature, but when we connect the non-linear load, then supply current no longer remains pure sinusoidal. This non-linear load introduces harmonics into the line current. So to eliminate the lower order harmonic in this line current IA, the line to line voltage VAB of the Y connected secondary winding is in the phase with the primary voltage VAB, while the delta connected secondary winding voltage leads the primary by 30 degree. So because of this type of connection, we can reduce the lower order harmonic which are introduced into the line currents by this non-linear load. That we'll see afterwards. The inductance Ls at the input side represents the total line inductance between the utility supply and the transformer, and LLK over here is the total leakage inductance of the transformer referred to the secondary side. The DC filter capacitor CD is assumed to be sufficiently large such that the DC voltage appears between these two terminals should be ripple free. So there should not be too much variation in the DC output. In the simplified diagram, the transformer winding is represented by sign Y or delta enclosed by a circle, where Y denotes a three-phase Y-connected winding and this delta represents a delta-connected winding. Here is the harmonic analysis of the line current. The output of this 12 pulse converter contains 12 pulses per cycle of the supply frequency, which means that output has total number of 12 pulses within the time duration of one cycle at the input side. At any time instant, the DC current ID flows through 4 diodes, which means 2 diodes from the top 6 pulse rectifier and 2 diodes from the bottom rectifiers are simultaneously on. The DC current ripple is relatively low due to the series connection of these two 6 pulse rectifier, where the leakage inductance of the secondary windings can be considered in the series. In the waveform shown here, you can see that this waveform IA that represents the line current of the first secondary winding, and IA bar represents the line current for the second secondary winding. And when these two currents are referred on the primary side, we get IA. So on the secondary side, you can see that the magnitude of the total harmonic distortion of the line current is approximately 24.1%. But because of this multipulse converter concept, on the primary side, where the source is connected and for the 3-phase AC supply, the line current IA has the total harmonic distortion of only 8.38%. And when we look at the harmonic spectrum, then you can see that the phase displacement that makes the certain harmonics like 5th and 7th order out of phase. Only 12K plus or minus 1 harmonics remain into the line current, where K is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So by substituting K is equal to 1, when we calculate, then 12 into 1 is equal to 12, 12 minus 1, 11. That 11th order harmonic is present. Then 12 plus 1 is equal to 13, 13th order harmonic is present. For K is equal to 2, we get 23 and 24. So these order of harmonics are only present into the line current, and the remaining harmonics do not get produced in the line current because of this working of multipulse converter. You can see that the third harmonic is absent, and that is because of the 3-phase balance system, and all the triple N harmonics are absent. Even apart from that, even order harmonics are also absent because half wave symmetry is present into the line current. Besides that, the 5th order harmonic is absent, 7th order harmonic is absent, then 17th is also absent, 19th is also absent, and so on. So for 12 pulse converter, the lowest order harmonic is 11th rather than 5th. That is the key advantage of multipulse converter. The lower order harmonic do not get produced.